friends, I am Shatakshi. Today we are going to discuss 50 GK questions. I hope you like. These questions are going to help you in many competitive examinations. Before we continue, hit that like and subscribe button. Let us start, friends. A dozen fruit splits open when it is ripe to disperse seeds. Which of the following is not a dozen fruit? Bean, magnolia, banana, peanut. Banana C is the correct answer. Gunpowder is the earliest known chemical explosive. It was invented in the 9th century in China. Gunpowder is a mixture of sulfur, charcoal and common salt, saltpeter, sugar and sodium hydroxide, sulfur, charcoal and potassium nitrate, sugar and table salt. C. Sulfur, charcoal and potassium nitrate is answer. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity? G on Mars 9.8 meter per second square, 3.71 meter per second square, 8.8 meter per second square, 24.5 meter per second square. B 3.71 meter per second square is correct. With great power comes great responsibility. Can you identify the motion picture from which this quote is taken? Transformers, The Incredible Hulk, Spider-Man, The Avengers. C. Spider-Man is answer. Which of the following will not help to reduce the impact of global warming? Using more electrical appliances, using CFC-free products, using hybrid cars, taking public transport. Using more electrical appliances is correct answer A. Who got the Best Actor Female Award in the short film at 63rd Geo Film Fare Award? Vidya Balan, Kriti Sanon, Saifali Shah, Sridevi. Vidya Balan A is the correct answer. The first solid mirror was made by polishing a black volcanic rock called A. Obsidian, basalt, andesite and rhyolite. A. Obsidian is correct answer. Modern mirror was invented by Justus von Liebig, Otto Bayer, Carl Voss, Robert Wilhelm Bunsen. A. Justus von Liebig is answer. While laying railway tracks, there are some spaces left. Why? So that they don't melt, so that they don't stick together, for counting the pieces of track length, so that when they expand in summer, it gets space. D is correct answer. Earth has highest density amongst all the planets in solar system. Its average value is 5,514 kg per meter cube, 6,514 kg per meter cube, 5,614 kg per meter cube, 5.514 kg per meter cube, 5,514 kg per meter cube. A is answer. What is marked around the hull of the ships to indicate the level to which ships should be submerged in seawater at some particular location? Limshow line, Plimsoll line, Watteau lines, depth lines. B. Limshow lines is correct answer. Who is the author of the 2018 Golden Man Booker Prize winning novel The English Patient? Penelope Lively, Hilary Mantel, Michael Ondaatje, V.S. Naipaul. C. Michael Ondaatje is correct answer. While doing a group project, a team will give the best result when team leader are autocratic, decisions are made by consensus, every step involves lengthy discussions, Most of the team members nod to their team leader. Decisions are made by consensus. B is the answer. When a liquid is heated, it expands and its level rises upward, moves downwards, remains same. None of this. A rises upward is correct answer. Convection current in a liquid or gas is formed due to the change in its size, temperature, surface area. None of this. Temperature B is correct answer. SI unit of work is Newton, Pascal, Joule, Newton meter. Joule is correct answer. What is usually a tropical mixed woodland grassland ecosystem characterized by the trees being sufficiently widely spaced so that the canopy does not close? Pampas, taiga, savanna, prairies. Savanna. C is answer. What is not an example of software? MS Word, WhatsApp, RAM, Acrobat Reader DC. RAM. C is correct answer. Muscular energy of all kinds of animal is a kind of heat energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, potential energy. Mechanical energy. C is correct answer. Who invented the steam engine? Newton, Pascal, Goldstein, James Watt. D. James Watt is correct answer. I am used a street light reflector. Who am I? Plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, prism. Convex mirror. C is correct answer. The geometric center of a spherical mirror is called center of curvature, pole, principal focus, principal axis. Pole B is correct answer. When the white light is passed through an equilateral prism, it splits into 7 colors. The phenomena of splitting of white light is called dispersion, spectrum, diffusion, rainbowing. A. Dispersion is answer. During dispersion of light, the least dispersed color is violet, green, yellow and red. Violet is A is answer. A bimetallic strip is used in pressure cooker, automatic fire alarm, ceiling fan, flashlight. Automatic fire alarm B is correct answer. The image formed by a plane mirror is virtual, laterally inverted, erect. All of these. D is correct answer. What is the density of water? 1 gram per centimeter cube, 10 gram per centimeter cube, 0.1 gram centimeter cube, 0.0001 gram per centimeter cube, 1 gram centimeter cube. A is answer. The water is stored in a tank on the top of a roof. Kinetic energy, potential energy, hydrogen energy, all of these. B. Potential energy is answer. SI unit of power, watt, joule, cm and newton. What is the answer? A. Real image can be taken on the screen, taken behind the screen, laterally inverted, none of this. Taken on the screen, A is correct answer. Who is the author of the Alice in Wonderland? Lewis Carroll, William Shakespeare, Walt Whitman and none of this. Lewis Carroll is A is answer. Who is the CEO of NVIDIA? Jensen Huang, Lisa Su, Eric Yuan, Curtis Prime. Jensen Huang. A is the Correct answer. Where is the deepest depth of the ocean? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. A. Pacific Ocean is correct answer. Who produced the first map of India? James Renell, William Mars, William Marsden, James Neal, William P. Young. A. James Renell is correct answer. Which crop is sown on the largest area in India? A. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, maize. A. Rice is the correct answer. Galileo was an astronomer who developed the telescope, discovered four satellites of Jupiter, discovered that the movement of pendulum produces a regular time measurement. All of them. B. Discovered four satellites of Jupiter is correct answer. The world's smallest country is Vatican City, Canada, Russia, Maldives. A. Vatican City is answer. Which language is spoken in Karnataka? Marathi, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada. D. Kannada is a correct answer. The currency notes are printed in New Delhi, Nashik, Nagpur, Bombay. B. Nasik is correct answer. The Indian who holds the pride of beating the computer in mathematical wizard is Shakuntala Devi, Raja Ramana, Ramanujan, Rana, Reena, Panigrahi. A. Shakuntala Devi is answer. For which of the following disciplines in Nobel Prize awarded? Literature, peace and economics, physics and chemistry, physiology or medicine, all of these. A. D. All of the above is correct answer. What is the world's most common religion? Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Muslim. B. Christianity is correct answer. Durand Cup is associated with the game of cricket, football, hockey and volleyball. B. Football is correct answer. News website deliver customized feeds of content to their readers via RSS, which stands for Really Simple Syndication. Real Social Syndication, a registered subscriber syndication, really simple synchronization. Really simple syndication is A is correct. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as uniprocess, multiprocessor, multi-threaded, multi-programming. B. Multiprocessor is correct answer. Macintosh, an operating system, is a product of Microsoft, Apple, Intel, Google. B. Apple is correct answer. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Link, Uniform Register Link, Unified Resource Link. Uniform Resource Locator is correct answer. The improvement of computer hardware theory is summarized by which law? Metcalfe's law, Bill's law, Moore's first law, Grove's law. Moore's first law. C is correct answer. The rules of language is known as Code, structure, procedure, syntax. D. Syntax is better. Guglielmo Marconi is credited as the inventor of the radio. In 1909, he got the Nobel Prize in what? Biology, chemistry, physics, and English. Physics. C is correct answer.
Thank you, friends. This video was a lot of effort. It would be great if you would subscribe and like. It is free and helps out a ton. I need your support, friends. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.